Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and sophistication with the Lexus LS 500. A car that combines Japanese craftsmanship, modern technology, and powerful performance into one breathtaking package. If you're looking for a sedan that delivers elegance on the outside and comfort on the inside, this flagship Lexus might just be your dream car. The first thing you notice about the Lexus LS 500 is its commanding presence. The signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and smooth flowing body lines give it a bold yet refined look. Every angle of this sedan screams luxury. The long wheelbase not only makes it look elegant, but also ensures more space inside. And let's not forget the alloy wheels and aerodynamic touches that perfectly blend performance with style. Step inside, and the LS 500 welcomes you with true Japanese craftsmanship. Premium leather, real wood trim, and handcrafted details make the cabin feel more like a five-star lounge than a car interior. The seats aren't just comfortable. They come with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. In the back, passengers can stretch out with extra legroom, making this sedan perfect for both drivers and those who prefer to be chauffeured. Technology is at the center of the LS 500's interior. A large, high-resolution infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 3D surround sound audio system, and even ambient lighting work together to create an atmosphere of pure comfort and modern luxury. Under the hood, the Lexus LS 500 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing over 400 horsepower. This means smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, and enough power when you need it. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the LS 500 delivers a balanced driving experience. Sporty when you want it, but always refined. And for those who care about fuel efficiency, Lexus also offers hybrid options, giving you luxury with eco-friendly performance. Lexus has always been a leader in safety, and the LS 500 is no exception. It comes with the Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. With advanced driver assist technology, this car makes every journey safer and less stressful. The Lexus LS 500 isn't just a car, it's an experience. With its striking design, luxurious interior, powerful engine, and cutting-edge safety features, it truly stands at the top of Lexus's lineup. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that competes with the likes of BMW, Mercedes, and Audi, but offers a unique touch of Japanese elegance, the LS 500 deserves your attention. What do you think of the Lexus LS 500? Would you choose it over its German rivals? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest 2025 and 2026 cars.